Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss exercise 1.1. So number 1 is, question is, following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. So here one number line is given. So this is a number line. So here the temperatures of different places are given. We have 5 places: Laos Spiti, Srinagar, Simla, Ooty and Bangalore. So number A question is, observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. The number A is, answer is temperature at Laos Spiti. So look at Laos Spiti. Where is Laos Spiti? Laos Spiti is here. So here you look, the number line, middle is 0, which is neither negative nor positive. Next, on the right side of the 0 is what? Positive numbers 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So here we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this, the positive numbers are going to the right. Here are positive numbers. Then on the left side of 0 are negative numbers. So we can count. So temperature at Laos Spiti. So where is Laos Spiti? Laos Spiti is here. So here it is -5. After -5, 6, 7, 8. So Laos Spiti, the temperature was -8 degree centigrade. Next, temperature at Srinagar. Temperature, same temperature is going. That's why I am putting this sign. But no need to put. You don't put like this sign. You have to write in full sentence and full words. Temperature at Srinagar. So Srinagar is where? Srinagar is here. So we can count 0, -1, -2. So here answer is -2 degree centigrade. Next, temperature at Simla. Simla, we can put, where is Simla? This is Simla. So now we can count from 0 to right is positive. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Already here written positive. So this is what? 5 degree centigrade. Like this you can do for all 2. So I am leaving this 2 for you. You can do this one. Number B question is, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above? So you have to find out hottest and coldest places. So hottest places is where the temperature is more, and coldest places where the temperature is less. So you have to find out where the hottest temperature, So you will find out the number where is less. So from 0 we are going to right side, number is more, and number is increasing. Where we are going left from the 0, number is decreasing. So -10 is here. So this one is what? Laos Spiti is coldest places. Where temperature is less, -10 degrees centigrade. Then more temperature. So highest number is what? 25. Sorry, highest number is 20, 21, 22. So 22. Here this is the highest. So the hottest place is what? Bangalore. So you can write down. You can write here the answer, the hottest and the coldest places. So hottest place is Bangalore. So you can write Bangalore. So temperature you can write down on the bracket. You can mention the temperature, what is 22 degree centigrade. Next, coldest temperature is here. You can, this one is coldest, -5, -6, -7, -8. So Laos Spiti, and temperature is -8 degree centigrade. So next is what it is giving? Difference between hottest and coldest place. So difference between hottest and coldest place. So first you write down the hottest place temperature 22 degree centigrade minus coldest place temperature minus 8 degree centigrade. So what is the difference? The difference is 22 degree centigrade plus minus into minus plus 8 degree centigrade. Answer is 30 degree centigrade. So mention degree centigrade. Next is given number C. Question number C. Look at question number C. What is the temperature difference between Lahospati and Srinagar? It is like B number question. You have to find out the temperature of Lahospati and Srinagar by looking at the number line. Then you will find the temperature difference between these two places. So you can do it by yourself. Next, number D question is, can we say temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is less than the temperature at Simla? So first we see the first number question. Then is it also less than temperature of Srinagar? So first we find out the temperature of Srinagar and Simla. So the temperature of Srinagar is how much? Temperature of Srinagar, by looking at this number line, you can find out the temperature of Srinagar is 0, -1, -2. So temperature of Srinagar is -2 degree centigrade. Then temperature of Simla, Simla is on the right side, it is on the 5. So 5 degree centigrade. Then what is in temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together? Together means we have to add. So -2 degree centigrade plus 5 degree centigrade equal to, so here minus is given and plus is given, and so -2 degree centigrade plus 5 degree centigrade. So how much? 5 minus 2 equal to how much? 3. Then which sign have bigger number, minus or plus sign? Here plus sign has bigger number, so here it will be plus sign. Then 3 degree centigrade. Then it is given, hence it is 3 degree centigrade. What it is showing? Here together temperature is less than temperature of Simla. So Simla's temperature is how much? 5 degree centigrade. So temperature of Simla is 5 degree centigrade and together temperature is what? 3 degree centigrade. So which one is bigger? Simla's temperature is bigger. So together temperature is less than Simla's temperature. So here 3 degree centigrade is less than 5 degree centigrade. So temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is less than temperature of Simla. Then what it is given? Is it also less than temperature at Srinagar? So now we have to compare the temperature at Srinagar. So Srinagar's temperature is how much? 0, -1, -2. So Srinagar's temperature is -2 degree centigrade, and the temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together, we have found out how much? 3 degree centigrade. So 3 degree centigrade is now more than -2 degree centigrade. So the temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together, which is 3 degree centigrade, is not less than the temperature of Simla. Next is what? Our temperature together. This one is 3 degree centigrade is together temperature of Simla and our Srinagar, and this is the temperature of Srinagar. So the temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together, this together is not less than the temperature of Srinagar. So this together temperature is not less than, this is more than Srinagar's temperature. Okay. Next question is number 2 question. Now we'll go to number 2 question. Number 1 question is over. Next, number 2 question is, in a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jack's scores in 5 successive rounds were 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? So we have to find out the total marks he has got in the exam. So for correct option or for correct answer he is getting positive marks, and for incorrect answers he is getting negative marks. So here are the marks. So we'll add it. We have to add all this: 25 plus -5 plus -10 plus 15 plus 10. So what you will do? You bring all the positive. First you take out 24, plus into minus equal to minus. So -5 plus into minus is -10, then plus 15, then plus 10. So you together take it together all the positive numbers: 25 plus 15 plus 10. Then take out all the negative numbers: -5 minus 10. Then add all the positive numbers. So all the positive numbers, when you add, what you will get? You will get 25 plus 15 plus 10 equal to 50. Then add all the negative numbers: -5 minus 10 equal to what? -15. So now 50 minus 15 equal to how much? 35. So he got 50 correct marks, 50 marks for correct option answer and 15 marks for negative or incorrect answers. So he got, so total marks he got at the end is 35. Next we'll go to question number 3. At Srinagar, temperature was -5 degrees centigrade on Monday and then it dropped by 2 degrees centigrade on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees centigrade. What was the temperature on this day? So see the terms. So drought means going down, decreasing. Okay. Then rose, here another term given, rose means rising, like sun rises. Okay, so past of rise is rose. So here it is increasing and here it is drop, decreasing, going down, here going up. So here temperature will increase. So where increase, that here it will increase. So we'll, where it will increase we'll add and where it will decrease we'll subtract. So next we'll go, so find out the answer. Temperature on Monday at Srinagar. So Monday is Srinagar temperature was what? -5 degree centigrade. Next, it has been dropped by 2 degrees centigrade. Dropped means what I had told? You have to subtract. So subtract, initially it was what? 5 degrees centigrade. From 5 degrees centigrade it dropped how much? 2 degrees centigrade dropped. 2 degrees centigrade drop is there. So -5 degree minus 2 degree. So here 2 minus are there. So you will put minus, then add this 5 plus 2 equal to 7 degree centigrade. So this is temperature on Tuesday. Then temperature Wednesday. Temperature of Wednesday, it is given what? It rose by 4 degrees centigrade. So whatever we got temperature on Tuesday, after that it will rise, means it has been risen after -7 degree centigrade. So temperature of Wednesday is what? Temperature on Tuesday minus, it has risen 4 degree centigrade. So temperature on Tuesday is how much? -7 degree centigrade. Sorry, plus 4 degree centigrade. The temperature on Tuesday, it has been risen, so you will add plus 4 degree centigrade. So minus plus, so you have to do minus. So 7 minus 4 is how much? 3 degree centigrade. So which sign has more number? Means bigger number. Minus sign has bigger number. So you'll put minus sign. So answer is what? Minus 3 degree centigrade. Okay. Now we'll go to question number 4. A plane is flying at the height of 5,000 meter above the sea level. So here this one is sea level. Here sea level is here. So from sea level it is the height of 5,000 meter. Then at a particular point it is exactly above a submarine. So here is submarine. It is inside the sea, under the sea. So here it is 1200 meter below the sea level. So what is the vertical distance between them? So we have to find the distance. So vertical distance, how can we find the vertical distance? So first to write down height of the flying plane from the sea level. Height of the flying plane is how much? 5,000 meter. Then depth of the submarine, how much deep it is there? Depth has come from the term deep. So how much inside? So depth of submarine is how much? 1200 meter. So vertical distance between the plane and submarine. So we can add these two. So 5,000 plus 1200 meter. 5,000 meter. Number 5. Mohan deposits rupees 2,000 in his bank account and withdraws rupees 1,642 from it. The next day, if withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. So if withdrawal amount is negative integer, so deposit amount will be withdrawal means, so find the term withdrawal means taking out. Okay, then deposit means we are keeping in, we are putting or keeping inside. Withdrawal means taking out money. So if withdrawal, whatever amount he has taken is negative integer, then deposit will be opposite. If we're taking out will be negative, then keeping in will be positive integer. Okay, next total amount deposited. How much amount deposited? 2,000 rupees. 2,000. Then amount withdrawn. How much amount withdrawn? Withdrawn amount is rupees 1,642. So balance after withdrawal. Withdrawal will be how much it is taken out? Rupees 2,000 minus rupees 1,642. So your answer will be rupees 358. So this much is your now Mohan's balance after withdrawal. Number 6 question. Rita goes 20 km towards east from a point A to point B. So here the line is given. This one is east, this one is west. So Rita has gone from here to A to B. So from A to B is how much? 20 km. Then from B she moves 30 km towards west. So here 20 km. Then it is gone towards east. Then it will again move backwards towards west. So it will move like this towards west, here it will cross 20, then after 20 there will be 30. So here is the, again it moved to the west 30 kilometer. So this one is how much? 30 kilometer. If along the same road, if the distance towards east is represented by positive integer, so this is represented by positive integer, then how will you represent the distance traveled toward the west? So distance traveled towards west will be what? If east is positive, then west will be what? Negative. So we will represent by negative number. Next is what? By which integer will you represent her final position from A? So from A to from B, which integer you will represent? So this one is how much? So this is plus 20, and from here to here 20, then from here to, so this is the middle point, from here to here positive, so this is 20 kilometer, here there it is given 30 kilometer, so 30 20 plus here it will be what? Here it is given 30 kilometer. So Rita travels distance in east direction. East direction travels how much? 20 kilometer. So you will write 20 kilometer. Then it will move to west. So if it is moving west, so Rita travels a distance in west direction. Rita travels a distance in east direction. East direction is how much? 20 kilometer. From A to here, A to B is 20 kilometer. Then from B it moved to west. So when it is moving west direction, the distance will be in negative. So it has moved 30 kilometer. So distance traveled from A is how much? 20 plus minus 30 equal to how much? 20 minus 30 equal to minus 10 kilometer. So it has put total distance. So from here to here plus 20, from total here to here it is minus 30. So total distance is how much? 20 plus minus 30 equal to 20 minus 30 equal to minus 10 kilometer. So 30 minus 20 equal to 10. Here minus has got biggest number, that's why minus sign has been put. Number 7 question. In a magic square, each row and column and diagonal have the same sum. Check which of the following is a magic square. So we have given 2 squares, but I have not made here 2 squares at a time. Here I will check first square, then I will check number 2 square. So what it is given, in the if this is magic square or not, we have to check. So for magic square, what are the conditions are there? The row. Which one is row? This row. These are the rows. So the sum of the rows, then the sum of the columns, then the sum of the diagonals. So call row, column, then diagonal. This is like diagonal. So all will be same sum. So first we'll check this sum. Now first we'll check this square. Is it magic or not? So by adding, what we'll get? By adding the numbers of each rows we get. First we'll add the number of rows, the numbers in the each row. So first row, I will take this one is first row. 5 plus minus 1 plus minus 4. So answer will be 5 minus 1 minus 4. So answer will be 5 minus 5 equal to 0. Next, second row we'll see. Second row, what it is given number? Minus 5 plus minus 2 plus 7. So minus 5 minus 2 plus into minus plus 7 equal to minus 5 minus 2 how much? Minus 7 plus 7 equal to 0. Next we'll see third row. Third row is 0. First number is, second number in third row is minus. So second row is 3 plus 3. Then third number is plus minus 3 equal to 0 plus 3 minus 3 equal to 0. So sum of numbers in each row is 0. In each row sum is 0. Next we'll see the column. So from column, first column, the column, adding column, number in column. First column 5 minus 5 0. 5 plus minus 5 plus 0 equal to 5 minus 5 plus 0. Plus into minus minus. So 5 minus 5 0 plus 0. Next second column minus 1 minus 2 3. Minus 1 plus minus 2 plus 3 equal to minus 1 minus 2 minus in plus into minus minus plus 3. So we'll add this. First we'll do this minus minus. So minus 2 plus 1 3 plus 3 equal to 0. Next third column minus 4 7 minus 3. Minus 4 plus 7 plus minus 3 equal to minus 4 plus 7 minus plus into minus minus 3. So we'll together make minus 4 minus 3. We'll put minus sign together, then plus 7. Minus 4 minus 3 is how much? Minus 7 plus 7 equal to how much? 0. So here also all the sums are 0. Now we'll see the diagonal. Diagonal, adding number, first diagonal. This one is first diagonal, 5 minus 2 minus 3. So 5 plus minus 2 plus minus 3. So make it 5 plus into minus minus 2 plus into minus minus 3. So 5 minus 2 minus 3 equal to minus 5. 5 minus 5 equal to 0. Next second diagonal. This one is second diagonal, minus 4 minus 2 0. So minus 4 plus minus 2 plus 0. Next minus 4 plus into minus minus 2 plus 0. So minus 4 minus 2. So both are minus minus. 4 plus 2 6 plus 0. So minus 6 plus 0 equal to minus 6. So here we have shown what? Here we have shown that all these. So here we get that sum of numbers in row all are 0. Sum of column in each column sum of numbers in each column is 0. But sum of number in diagonals, one is 0, one is minus 6. So this one is not a. This number 1 is not a magic square. So like this you can check the second one. So I am leaving you the second square for you to check is it is magic square or not. Like this you can write. You have to add the numbers in first row, second row, third row, then first up adding the column numbers in column, first column, second column, third column, then by adding the numbers in diagonal. We have two diagonals, first diagonal, second diagonal. Well, you can check and you can do. Question number 8. Verify a minus whole minus b equal to a plus b for the following values of A and B. So we have to verify this one. This is A. No, this is equation given. We have to verify. When we are verifying, you have studied in last class how to verify an equation. So we have verified last class equation. So your 6th class. So how you have verified? You have to take this one is left side and this one is right side. So if left side is equal to right side, then you can verify that they are equal. If they are equal, then you will verify that whatever is given, that is true. So we have to use the values of A and B. A value and B value is given. So number 1 we will see. Number 1 A equal to 21. Number 2 B equal to 18 is given. The same thing I have written. Let us take left hand side as LHS. So this one is left hand side. A minus B whole A minus whole minus B. Next right side is this one. So right hand side RHS equal to A plus B. This one is A plus B. So first we will see what is coming. LHS A minus whole minus B equal to what is the amount of A? 21. So put the amount 21 minus is there minus, then whole is there, put whole, then again minus is there, put minus, then put the value of B. Value of B is how much? 18. So write down 18. So now we will do, again we will write 21 minus into minus equal to plus 18. So the addition value is how much? 39. Next we will check right hand side. RHS equal to A plus B. Put the amount of A is 21. Then plus is given, plus will put. Then amount of value of B is how much? 18. Put 18, 21 plus 18. It is how much? 39. So 39 equal to 39. So here LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is also 39. RHS is also 39. So here LHS equal to RHS. So the value of A and B, our B is verified in this equation. So you can do it like this in second, third, fourth number. I have done. So rest of the 8 number you can do by yourself. Okay, next number 9 question. Number 9 question is same like number 8, but the difference is what? You will first read the question. Use the sign of this one is greater than, smaller than or equal to in this box to make the statements true. So you have to make their statements are given. So you have to put either greater sign, smaller sign or equal sign. So make this statement true. So first statement is given minus 8 whole plus minus 4. Here bracket is given, square bracket, then minus 8 minus whole minus 4. So we'll check. So let us check. We'll take the same LHS RHS. So this one is left side. Statement of this statement have left side, then right side. So first we'll check the left hand side. LHS equal to minus 8 whole plus whole minus 4 equal to, you open this, minus 8 plus into minus equal to minus 4. So both minus are there, you put minus and add this number. 8 plus 4 equal to 12. Next RHS. See RHS, what it is given? Minus 8 whole minus 4. We have written the RHS. So write down. Next open that bracket, minus 8 minus into minus equal to plus, then 4. So here one sign is minus, one sign is plus. So what you will do? You will do subtraction. So 8 is bigger number. 8 minus 4 equal to 4. So which sign has bigger number? Minus sign has bigger number. So you will put minus sign. Next you see LHS. LHS is how much? Minus 12. RHS is minus 4. So which one is bigger number? Here the minus 4 is the bigger number. So minus 4 is bigger number. So LHS is how much? Minus 12. RHS is minus 4. So 4 is minus 12 is less than minus 4. So LHS is less than RHS. So you can write hence minus 8. You write the statement minus 4. You will put the sign in the bracket. You will put the less than sign. Then right hand side is minus 8 minus 4. So now this statement is completed. So like that you will do the same LHS RHS method and find out which sign you will put by comparing LHS and RHS. If both the values are equal, both values are coming equal, you will put equal sign. If LHS is coming more and RHS is coming less, then you will put LHS is greater than RHS. Okay. Question number 10. A water tank has steps inside it. Look, this one is water tank. It has going down steps. So these are the steps. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step. Here monkey is stepping. Okay, this is my monkey. I have drawn. That is the first step. So this one is what? First step. The water level is at the 9th step. So we'll go down. So water level will be, if this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, like that, down step is 9th step is, in 9th step there is water. Water is there. That's why it is saying water level. So number 1 question will go, he jumps 3 steps down. So down, 3 steps down, and then jumps back 2 steps. Then again it will jumps backside 2 steps. In how many jumps will he reach the water level? So in how many jumps it will reach the water level? So now we'll find out how many jumps it will reach the first water level. So let us consider steps moved down are represented by positive integers. So what steps moving down? Positive integers. Then steps moved up are negative integers. So it is negative integers are moved up. The move up steps are negative integers. So what is it is given? So 3 steps down, 2 steps up. So down it is going 3 steps. 3 steps, and when it is jumping back it is going 2 steps up. So 3 steps down, 2 steps up. So now monkey is sitting on the topmost step, means that is first step. Next, from the first step it will jump to second step. So in first jump it will go to, jump will be the how much? If it is going down, in first jump, where it will go? 3 steps down. So plus 3. Down means positive. So 1 plus 3 equal to 4 steps. Then in second jump, in first jump it is gone 3 steps down. Then in second jump it will go back to 2 steps up. So what it is there? 4 plus 2 steps up means minus 2. It is negative, minus 2. 2 steps up. 4 plus 2 equal to 4 plus minus 2. 4 minus 2 equal to, now it will reach the second step. Next, in third jump, again in third jump it will go down. So third jump is 2. The second 2 step from here, 2 step it will go to 2 plus how much? 3. 3 step down equal to 5 steps. Next, in fourth jump, third jump it has gone down. Then fourth jump again it will go up minus 2 steps. So 5, this 5 plus minus 2 equal to 5 minus 2 equal to 3 steps. Third step it has come. Then in fifth jump monkey will be at step. So fifth it will again go down. 3 plus 3 equal to 6 steps. Then in sixth jump monkey will go up. So where it is? In sixth step it is, when it will go up means minus 2 equal to 6 minus 2 equal to 4 steps. Next in seventh jump it will go down again. So in seventh jump where it will be? 4 plus 3 equal to 7 steps. Next in eighth jump again what will do? It will go back. So 7 plus minus 2 equal to 7 minus 2 equal to 5 step. Now 5 steps. Then in ninth jump monkey will be at the step. Ninth jump again it will go down. So go down means go down 3 steps. So 5 plus 3 equal to 8 steps. Next in 10th jump monkey will go to, on 10th jump again it will go up. So go up means it will go up 2 steps. So 8 plus minus 2 equal to 8 minus 2 equal to 6 steps. Next in 11th jump monkey will go. So here it has gone up, then again it will go down. 6 plus 3 equal to 9 steps. So he has come to 9th step where water level is there. So what you will write? Hence monkey took how many jumps? 11. 11th jump it has got, so it will take 11 jumps to reach water level. So again I am describing. So first jumps it has gone down means plus 3. Then second jump it has gone up means plus or minus 2. Then third jump again gone down plus 3. Fourth jump gone up minus 2. Then fifth jump gone down plus 3. Then sixth step gone up minus 2. Seventh gone down, that's why plus 3. Then eighth step gone up minus 2. Then ninth step again gone up plus 3. Then 10th step gone, ninth step gone down plus 3. Then 10th step it gone up minus 2. Then 11th step what is again gone down plus 3. So here we are getting 9th step. So you will do adding 3 then minus 2. Where it is going down you will add plus 3. When it is going up you will add minus 2. By that in the last level in 11th job you got 9th steps. So in 9th step water level is there, so it has come to reach water level in 11 jumps. So how much jumps it has taken? 11 jumps. So next we will go to double I, 10 number double I. Question is, after drinking water he wants to go back. So he has come to down step, 9th step. He has drunk water, then he wanted to go up. So for this jump he jumps 4 steps up. He is jumping how much? 4 steps up. So 4 steps up, then jumps 2 steps down in every move. In every move, one move 4 step up, then other move 2 step down. Then one jump 4 step up, then or 2 step down. In how many jumps will he reach back to the top step? Okay, how many jumps is needed? So it is like the same thing. So answer is what? Let us consider steps moved down is negative integers. So whatever steps move down, let's consider steps moved down is positive integer. So steps moved down is positive integers. So how much moved down? 2. So this is positive integer. Then steps moved up. How much steps moved up? 4 steps. It is negative integers. So initially monkey is sitting on the 9th step. So at the water level. So he's at the water level. So he'll go up. So first he'll go up, then down, then go up, then down. Like that he will make his jump. So in first jump what he will do? He will go up. From down he will go up. So for going up is how much? -4. He is at 9th step. So going up means -4 steps. So 9 minus 9 plus -4 equal to 9 minus 4 equal to 5 steps. Now he has come to 5 steps. In second jump, first jump he has gone up. So in second jump he will go down. So 5 plus 2 equal to 2 step down is 7 steps. Then in third jump monkey will at the step. Third jump again it will go up. So 7 minus 4 equal to 3 steps. Then in fourth jump it will 7. How you will write here? 7 plus minus 4 equal to 7 minus 4. Then in fourth jump what will do? It will go down. So 3 go down 2 step plus 2 equal to 5 steps. Next in fifth jump again it will go up. So fifth jump will be 5 plus minus 4 equal to 5 minus 4 plus into minus 1 step. So here he has come to step 1. So how many jump taken? So first jump gone up, then second jump 4 steps up, then second jump 2 step down, then again third jump 4 steps up, then fourth jump 2 steps down, then fifth step 4 step up. So he has got first step. So first is where? Now the top step. So how much jumps he has taken? 5 jumps. So monkey took 5 jumps to reach back at the top step. Next, triple I. If the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integers and the number of steps moved up by positive integers, so what has come down is negative integers. So which one has gone up is positive integers. Up is positive integers. Represent his moves in part 1 and part 2. Part 1 and 2 by completing the following. So in part 1 it has gone down to drink water, and part 2 it has gone to the top step by complete the following. So here it is given a minus 3 plus 2, like that, minus you have to put and make it to minus 8. So here 4 number will be 4 minus 2 plus you have to add the moving down then going up both 8. In A, sum minus 8 represents down. A is minus 8 is representing what? Down. And in B, if minus 8 is represented down, then so what will be the sum 8 in B represent? So in A, number 1, it is going down to drink water, so it will go up to move to go to the top. So now we'll find out. Answer is monkey moves in part 1. Part 1, monkey is moving downside. It is moving downside to get water. So downside, it is moving downside. So it is in one move, it is going down. When it is going down, 3 steps going down, it is represented -3. And when it is going up, so 2 steps going up, jumping 2 steps up, that one is represented by +2. So LHS here -3 +2, like that, -3 +2 in one jump, -3 in one jump, -3 means going down, in other jump going up. Then again it will come down, jump down steps, some 3 steps down, then 2 steps up, then 3 steps down, then 2 steps up, like that it will reach -8. So we have to add -3 +2, -3 +2 to get -8. So for getting -8, first we'll take LHS. So if this one is LHS and this is RHS, then you will put first -3 +2 in LHS, -3 +2 equal to how much? -1. Then this one is down, then up, then again down. Here it is down, so -1, -3. So what will get? -4. Then 1 down, then 1 up, 2 steps up, -4 +2 equal to -2. Then again down, -2, -3 equal to -5. Then again steps up, -5 +2 equal to -3. Then jumps down, -3 equal to -6. Then jumps up, steps up, -6 +2 equal to -4. Then again jump down, -4 -3 equal to -7. Then again jump up, -7 +2 equal to -5. Then again jumps down, -5 -3 equal to -8. Here we get, so how many -3? So we can write LHS equal to -3 +2. Here -3 +2, then -3, then +2, then -3, then +2, then -3, then +2, then -3, then again +2, then -3. So we have got whole total to get -8. So this one is what? RHS. So what we have got? So hence RHS is equal to, hence moves in part 1 represents monkey is going down 8 steps. Because going down, this is minus. Why? Because negative integer represents going down. Then now monkey moves in part 2. Part 2, it is going up and down. So here up is represented by positive integer. So here up is 4 steps and down is 2 steps. So it is moving down, moving up 4 steps and moving down 2 steps. So first we'll see 4 minus 2 plus 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2 equal to what we'll get 8. So plus 8. So this one is LHS will take, and this one is RHS. So we'll see LHS 4 minus 2 equal to 4 minus 2 equal to 2. So this one is what? 4 is up step, minus 2 is down step. Then 2 up, down. Then again up, 2 plus 4 equal to 6. This is up steps. Then 6, then 6 minus 2 because it is going down step. 6 minus 2 equal to 4. Then we will see 4 down step gone, then again it will go up step. 4 plus 4 equal to 8. So we have got the RHS here, 8. So how we can write? LHS equal to 4, this one, minus 2, this one, then second, then third. First one is up steps, second one is down step, then up step, then minus 2 down step, then plus 4 up steps. What we have got? 8. So this one is RHS. So what we can write? We can write that hence moves in part 2 represents monkey is going up 8 steps. It is going up. Why it is going up? Because it is going up means it is because positive integer represents going up. One student is asking about additive inverse. So again I am describing what is additive inverse. Means the negative of any number is additive inverse. We had already discussed that the negative of any number is the additive inverse of that number. So let's take example like additive inverse of 10. It is positive, 10 is positive, so its negative is what? Minus 10. So if I will take negative number like additive inverse of minus 10. So minus 10 is already negative. So how can we find out the negative of minus 10? So negative of minus 10 is what? Minus whole minus 10. This is the negative of minus 10. So minus into minus is what? Plus 10. So answer is what? 10. So additive inverse of positive number is negative number and additive inverse of negative number is positive number. Like that you can write additive inverse of 1 to 5. 125 equal to minus 125. So it's the same thing. Additive inverse of minus 1 to 5 equal to how much? 1 to 5. Okay. Then what else is given? If you are adding the number and additive inverse, you can get answer 0. Sum of number and its additive inverse. What I am saying? Sum of number and its additive inverse equal to 0. Like it is one number I am writing, it is writing 11. Its additive inverse is what? Minus 11. So 11 plus into minus, minus 11 equal to 0. Like that, if I can write 25. So minus 25. Minus 25 is the negative number. Its additive inverse is how much? 25. So minus 25 plus 25, it will be 0. So this is about additive inverse.